Welcome to How to Wave. In this video, we'll guide you through accessing Gemini Ultra and unlocking its full power in 2025. Gemini Ultra offers advanced features for users who want to elevate their experience with AI. To get started, visit the Gemini website or the dedicated app. You'll need a valid Google account to log in. Once you're signed in, make sure you've selected the Gemini Ultra plan, which can be upgraded through the subscription section. After upgrading, you'll gain access to enhanced AI capabilities like faster processing, more precise results, and the ability to handle complex tasks across writing, research, coding, and more. To unlock its full power, explore all the settings and customization options available, such as adjusting the output format, enabling multi-step queries, and using integrations for other tools. Gemini Ultra is designed to help you save time and boost productivity. Maximize its potential by diving into these advanced features and experimenting with different use cases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.